Now let us move into the details of the carbohydrates, and we will first study the monosaccharides. In the monosaccharides, glucose is the most important one, but what we need to know is that since the monosaccharides are the single smallest unit of the carbohydrates, they can be aldoses or ketosis. So remember, when we call them aldoses, so when the function group present in them, the main function group present in them is an aldehyde group, so we call them aldoses. If the main function group present in them is a ketone group, we call them ketoses. And according to the number of carbon, they can be called aldotriosis or aldo or ketotriosis. If the number of carbons are 4, we call them aldotetrosis, ketotetrosis. So like this. So glucose is basically aldohexosis. Osis means sugar. That's the suffix we add to their name. So aldo means aldehyde containing 6 carbon glucose or sugar. 6 carbon sugar is, or monosaccharide is your glucose. Now, how we prepare glucose? We know glucose is present in all fruits which are sweet in taste are having glucose as most important ingredient. It is mainly is obtained from the sucrose or from the starch. Now, preparation methods: from sucrose, by simple hydrolysis of sucrose gives us glucose and fructose. This is done mainly by taking any of the acids, and or the hydrolysis is done in acidic medium. Or it can be obtained from starch. We know starch is basically obtained from is basically the polymer of glucose. Whether it is actually alpha or beta, we will be doing the details of it later on. So whether you take a starch or a cellulose, which are 6C6H10O5N, because these are polymeric compounds, they on hydrolysis at around 20 degrees Celsius, 2 to 3 atmospheric pressure, in acidic medium in presence of sulfuric acid, they on hydrolysis gives glucose. So this is how it is obtained. Now we have to understand the structure of glucose, which is also called structure elucidation, because we will be actually finding out how we came to the conclusion that it is having such a type of a structure. So let us now understand the structure of glucose.